Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Dotdotpwn information gathering tool in Linux. It's a very flexible, intelligent fuzzer to discover traversal directory vulnerabilities in software such as HTTP, FTP, TFTP servers, web platforms such as CMSS, ERPS, blogs, etc. Also, it has protocol-independent module to send desired payload to the host and port specified on the other hand. It also could be used in scripting way using stdout module. It's written in Perl programming language and can be run either under Unix or Windows platform. It's the first Mexican tool included in Backtrack Linux, which is nowadays improved version is called as Linux, which we are using. Fuzzing module supported in the version HTTP, HTTP URL, FTP, TFTP, payload, stdout. Let's open up terminal and type .pwn.pl. Here we can see that basic syntax .pwn.pl -m module -h host options. Let's see the .pwn tool options -m module, that is HTTP, HTTP URL, FTP, TFTP, payload, stdout, -h host name, -o operating system detection for intelligent fuzzing, and so on. Use the HTTP scan module, that is -m HTTP against a host, that is -h 172.217.26.174 is a Google IP address using the get method, that is -m get. So basically type .pwn.pl -m HTTP -h 172.217.26.174 -m get. Here you can see that the target information, host name 172.217.26.174, protocol HTTP, port 80. Here we can see that it is testing with different directory traversal fuzzer. If HTTP status is 404 not found the directory, here I am using google.com. This will traversal test with total 19,680. So that's it in this video on .pwn information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.